In this video, we will learn what is double circulation and what is circulatory system. Okay, so let's start our topic, that is circulatory system. Circulatory system is a transport system, and if it's a transport system, then definitely it will transport materials across the body. Now, what kind of materials are those which need to be transported through circulatory system? Those materials are for example, oxygen. For example, those materials are food, and those materials are enzymes, proteins, waste products, etc. So that is why there is a proper transport system in our body, which we are studying is circulatory system. There is another system which is called lymphatic system as well in our body to transport the materials, but that's not the part of our syllabus, so that's why we are only we are only stick to the circulatory system. So now the function of circulatory system is to transport materials which are needed in our body. Now the parts of circulatory system. When we see the parts of circulatory system, then these are the blood vessels and pump. What is pump? Pump is a heart is pumping the blood, and definitely blood is the main component of circulatory system, because through the blood the materials are carried and they are transported throughout the body. So that is why blood is the main component, and blood is definitely it is flowing into the blood vessel, in the blood vessels. So blood vessels, the heart, and heart has some valves. What are the valves? Valves are present in the heart, and we will see later on what is the function of these valves. And all of these structures will ensure one way flow of the blood. One way flow of the blood means the blood is not flowing backward. Okay, so this is the circulatory system. Circulatory system which is needed to transport the materials across the body. And the parts of circulatory system are blood, blood vessels, heart, the valves in the heart, and these are the parts of the blood circulatory system. Okay, now come to the types of blood circulation. There are the two types which are discussed in our syllabus, that is the double circulation and the single circulation. Actually, in our syllabus, double circulation is the main topic, but single circuit circulation, in these notes, single circuit circulation is just given to you so that you can compare both double circulation and single circulation easily. Now, what is the double circulation? Double circulation is a type of circulation in which the heart is receiving the blood two times. Double circulation is a type of circulation in which the heart is receiving blood two times. So this is the double circuit circulation. Okay, now come to this diagram, that what is double circuit circulation. Double circulation in which you can see the heart is divided into two chambers, two main chambers. You can see this red area is actually showing you this is the left part of the heart, and left part of the heart is receiving the oxygenated blood, and there is another side of the heart which is the right side of the heart. So right side of the heart will receive the oxygenated blood. So there are the two main chambers of the heart, right and left. Okay, now one more thing you need to note, that the actually figures are the mirror images. The diagrams are the mirror images. For example, this side is actually the right side. It is the right side of the figure, but the right side of the figure is representing the left part. Right side is representing the left part, means if this side, this is the right side of the figure, then actually it is representing the left side of the heart. And if this is the right side of the figure, then right side of the figure is representing you the sorry, this is the left side, and left side of the figure, and left side of the figure is representing you the right side of the heart. Okay, now these are the two chambers, and every chamber is receiving the heart. Every chamber is receiving the blood. Every chamber is receiving the blood. Okay, now these chambers are further divided into two more chambers, means the atrium, ventricle, atrium, ventricle. We will see these structures later on, but here you just need to know that double circulation in which the heart is receiving blood two times. Once the deoxygenated blood is received by the right side of the heart from all over the body. This is the deoxygenated blood from all over the body, and it will enter into the right side of the heart. Okay, now there is the oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood is received through lungs. It is coming from the lungs, and it will enter into the left side of the heart. So the heart is receiving blood two times. Heart is receiving the blood two times, once from all over the body, and the other time it is receiving the blood from the lungs. So it is receiving the blood two times, and also it is pumping the blood two times, means it is pumping the oxygenated blood towards the body and the deoxygenated blood towards the lungs. So this is the double circuit circulation in which the heart is receiving the blood two times. Now come to another type of circulation, which is single circuit circulation. Okay, this is a single circuit circulation, and it is present in the body of fish. Actually, the body of fish is not as giant body just like the mammals, so that's why single circuit circulation is enough for their body. Okay, now firstly we need to know what is single circuit circulation. Single circuit circulation, you can see this is the heart of the fish, and it has only two chambers, means the ventricle and atrium. So you can see actually the blood from all over the body is coming towards the heart. Which part of the heart? That is the atrium. So towards the atrium the blood is, and blood is moving. Now after atrium there comes ventricle, and through ventricle it will enter into the gills, and then all around the body. So now you can see on the blood is coming from all over the body into the atrium of the heart. This is only for one time. This is for one time only, means the blood is not coming towards the atrium two times. And another thing is its heart is not divided into right and left part. Its heart has only two chambers, that is the atrium and ventricle. And when we are talking about the mammals in which the double circulation is there, then you can see the heart is divided into two main chambers, that is the right and left, and furthermore right and left chambers are divided into two more chambers, means atrium and ventricle, atrium and ventricle on the other side. And the blood is received by the heart two times. Once it will the deoxygenated blood will be received by the body through all over the body by the right atrium, and second time the blood is received from the lungs. So this is the double circuit circulation. Now I have a chart for you, and that chart will be helpful to understand what is double circuit circulation. But before going to that chart, we need to understand what are the advantages of double circuit circulation. So the advantages are actually in the giant body structures, in the giant bodies, we need to maintain the blood pressure. So that is why the double circulation ensure the pressure, the blood pressure in the body, it all over the body. So that's why there is a double circulation. And also the double circulation ensures the fast supply of the blood. So that is why there could be the maintenance of blood pressure, and the blood could move fastly all over the body. So that's why there is a double circulation. And another thing is, we need oxygen and other food materials as well frequently in our body. We need these materials frequently, so that is why the frequent blood supply is needed. And which thing ensures the frequent blood supply in mammals? That is double circulation, because heart is pumping blood efficiently. It has the four chambers, and every chamber is working efficiently, and it is receiving the blood two times. Means only one chamber is not associated to pump the blood all over the body, and there are the two chambers, the right chamber and left chamber, which are working together. So that's why the double circulation ensures the frequent blood supply all over the body, and as well as it will increase the blood pressure. So that is why these are the advantages of double circulation.